checking on the boat, see how she is. Jeez. Alright, now ready to go. No wind. It's a bummer. Check it out.
Not big as tight. You're not ready to set a halyard.
Just pick it up a little bit.
Make it easy. I gotta loosen it up. That other outboard.
You're gonna vote on it now. You've been nice to him.
Hey, we raced against a J27, J27 Al in Chicago. It rated 138. They gave it a 138 rating.
I told you that one over there. Uh-oh.
So I think you need a 138 rating, right?
In other words, that one over there.
He's going to be appealing his rating. Put him back his bait. All right, guys.
That boat looks a lot better with a lot of bikini clad women on it.
I like the women we have on the boat.
Easy out, Hall.
That side, over there. You start over there. About 3 miles over there.
We do. If Footloose is starting, that's where we end up.
Dude, there's Roger Daltrey. There's Roger Daltrey.
Am I on the Wednesday night video? Hey, OJ, we're on the Wednesday night video. Hey, Rob, we're on that Wednesday night video. You got a flash? Play to shoot at night time?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. You can't hide from the dark.
Hey, you don't return calls. Why would I return the email?
Because I was asking for a price.
No, I've not seen email. I'm trying to get through them. 2.5 weeks to not see an email.
I hear you, Lou.
You about right, Chris.
Has Chris ever been wrong?
We're gonna be. Where do you think, Chris? Starboard at the committee boat?
At the boat and tack.
Hey,
I need to get that big float out the top of your man.
hey, is that thing detachable? Why don't you take it down and take it out?
What's that?
That big floaty thing.
Extra weight at the top of the mast.
Oh, I need that.
It's called swimmies.
Yeah.
But there's no breeze right now. You don't need it.
Oh, you never know. We can capsize in this, no problem. We all sit up, all drink beer at the same time. Over she goes.
That's Lyle Levitt, folks. Lyle Levitt on the lake, don't you love it? The escape.
I guess he didn't hear about the Mackinac race, huh?
What, the Mackinac race?
The Mackinac race, where they
100-mile-an-hour winds?
with that J30. Not J35.
You don't want them to dive under you. How much time? 1:40. Way early, Robert. You have to go find a hole. We got a hole here. Jive. Too late. Down.
Around peer pressure.
And just stick the boat here. Stop the boat. Stop the boat. Stop the boat. Keep letting it spin the boat, okay? It's going to spin the boat. Stick it up.
That's 1 minute, Robert.
Come on down, Robert. Stop the boat if you can, okay? You ready to stick it up? No speed, easy main.
Helm's over here, helm's over.
Go ahead and tack if you have to.
38.
Call the line, Glenn.
37.
You got a hole below you, bow down, bow down.
Bow down, hard on the bow down. Come on, bow down, hard. Hold on, just hold on. Call the line, somebody look at it. Bow down. Bow down, Robert, come on. Forget the main. Get ready, bow up.
Go ahead, go.
Bow up. Come on. He's got the bow turn.
They can't see you,
Watch out for this one.
Come on, skirt.
Get it up.
Bow down, bow down. Keep the boat going. Keep the boat going. Bow down, Robert. Come on, you gotta get the boat going. You gotta get the boat going first. No, you're not. You pinch it. You gotta get the boat going.
I got a boat to do it here.
Forget him. You can drive over the top of him right now. Don't pinch the boat. Bow up.
Appreciative that you let me drop on your boat.
There's still more boats coming.
Open. What's the hole?
Hey, they got more boats coming still that we're sailing across.
Yeah, that's a J22 right there.
I just want to tell you thanks for having the committee boat shorten that course. That was a great call. I know it came from you.
Hold that shit. 1, 2,